Hello viewers, a lot of users are actually curious to know the best price of iPad 11th generation. Some people are asking me what will be the price of iPad 11th generation without card. We all know that in the month of January 2026 there will be Republic Day sale both on Amazon.in and Flipkart.com, and there is high possibility that you will get discounts on various tablets including iPad 11th generation. Currently, iPad 11th generation is selling at a price point of 32,000 rupees after discount. But in Republic Day sale, the price will be down, and if you are planning to buy iPad 11th generation without card, in that case the best price might be around 30,000 price point. And if you have credit card, in that case you may get 2,000 rupees extra discount, so the effective price may be 28,000 or maximum 29,000 rupees. iPad 11th generation is a very good iPad. It is best for multimedia consumption. The display quality is excellent. Though it is a non-laminated display, yet you will find that the color reproduction of Apple is top-notch. Video editing is equally good on iPad 11th generation. A16 Bionic chipset is powerful enough to give you a very good performance. You can render 4K 60 FPS HDR videos, and there is no lag or stutter or any hiccups after rendering the video. Also, there is support for iPencil. Also, you can buy third-party iPencil. I have bought this Kingone iPencil at around 1.2k. If you want to buy this pencil, I will put the link in the description below. So I think iPad 11th generation will be a very good buy if you get this iPad at around 28 to 29,000 rupees. So wait for the Republic Day sale and keep your cards ready to get the best discount. I will let you know which cards will be available on which platforms, so stay tuned for that video. I wish to see you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.